Alright, yo, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to use scroll wheel reset, and this video is pretty much for any beginner keyboard and mouse player. I'm pretty new to keyboard and mouse, and I just started using this. I don't use it all the time, but it doubles your reset speed. I'm going to demonstrate what it looks like without it. I got these walls set up, they're already edited, so I can reset them. That's without it, that's just my normal reset, which I'm using right click to reset my builds. Alright, I'm gonna try to edit the staircase and reset it before I fall. It's kind of hard to do on my regular binds, but I'll show you guys real quick. See, I fall through the stairs when I try to reset it really fast. So now I'm gonna show you guys with scroll wheel reset. I'm gonna show you how to turn it on, and I'm gonna show you how to use it. So what you want to do is you want to go to your settings, go to your keybinds, go down to your building edit and reset building edit. And what you want to do is you can use either mouse wheel up or mouse wheel down, but go to your secondary keybind choice and put it as mouse wheel down or up, whichever one you want to use, and put it like that on both of them. And I'll show you how it works. Basically, why you have it on both of them is because when you scroll the wheel first time it grabs it, and when you scroll the second time it resets it. So what you can do with this is you can just use your scroll wheel and it instantly resets it without build anything. See how much faster that is? It's like super fast, super effective. Look at that. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Peace.